Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and disable satellite constellations inside of FieldGenius. So I've already connected up to my receiver, and what I'm going to do here is click on the wrench and receiver icon in the top right corner. Now within my GNSS rover profile, what I'm going to do is click on the three dots next to the name of my profile, and then click on Satellite List. Now I'm going to get a list of all the satellites that my receiver is currently seeing, but to actually disable a constellation, I'm going to click on Satellite Setup in the top right corner here, where I can switch off any of the constellations I don't want to be using. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you disable and enable a satellite constellation inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.